Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a week into my curly hair. As you all can see, this is day one hair. This is when I took my twist out down, and you already seen that video, and I will link it in the cards for you. And of course, this is night one. So this is me on day one getting ready to tie my hair up for the night. And as you all can see here, I am basically going to put my hair in sections, and I am doing this by separating my curls where they naturally want to separate. So my parts are not going to be straight except for the one that I pre-created when I twisted my hair. I am being very gentle with this process so that I don't cause unnecessary frizz. And one key tip I want you all to take away from this nighttime routine on the first day, I actually use this for the first couple of days where I don't bring the bands down the length of my hair, which we all know as the banding method. I only put the bands around the roots of my hair to keep them together, to keep my hair from getting too tangly. But I don't need extra length right now because my hair is not completely shrunken. I would say the banding method for later in the week. And as you all can see, I have about 6 ponytails here, and I just like to say all the time, it's all about the ponytails for me. Pineappling does not work unless I'm doing a high puff, and the ponytails just help me leave my curly afro in the best state possible. So I did go to bed with a bonnet on, and the very next day I didn't go anywhere. So now we are on day 3, and we are going to take the ponytails down. So of course we are going to go section by section, and all I do is really remove the hair ties and I just fluff out the curls. And I do this gently but also a little bit forcefully because I want to separate them from each other without causing a lot of frizz. And I do this all over my head until most of those sections are no longer noticeable and my curls are laying appropriately and naturally. So here's what my hair is looking like on day 3. Now for my nighttime routine, I am going to begin putting my hair in sections, but because the humidity was a little bit strong on day 3, I am going to start bending my hair just a little bit to get a little bit of extra length, because as you all can see, my hair is a little bit more shrunken today than it was on day 1. And to band, I basically just use the same hair ties that are very soft, and I then move the band down the length of my hair to elongate the curls. One key tip for the bending method is to leave your ends alone. As you all can see in my front 3 sections, you can visibly see the curls, and you can see that I did not tamper with the definitions that is at the end of my hair. And this is basically going to make your twist out look elongated, but you're still going to have some of that definition. Here we are with day 4, and day 4 takedown in the morning is just as similar as the rest of my takedowns with ponytails. I literally remove the bands and I fluff each section to my liking, making sure that the hair is laying and flowing like it is supposed to. And as you all can see here, I have some of that length back while also the ends of my hair are still curly. I I do have a few sneezes you all going on here, but I mean, the pollen is really getting to me in North Carolina, and it's just following me everywhere I go. So that's why I was sneezing. But as you all can see here, I still have that definition because I didn't tamper with the ends of my hair when I banded it the night before. Today I am going to add one bobby pin in the front on the side just to give my hair a little bit of reinforcing for how I want my hair to lay today. And with that one bobby pin, I was super satisfied, and I was satisfied with how full my hair looked. It looked very fluffy but also defined, and I tend to enjoy having that look. And at night I am going to band again so that I can have one more day of having all of my hair out in my curly fro. And on day 5, we are going to take the ponytails out again and fluff. And on day 5, I am still going to wear a curly fro. And I think this is going to be my last day in this weekly routine of me wearing my hair out in a curly fro. Now, each week when I have a curly hairstyle, whether I'm wearing my hair out in a fro, some of my twist outs or braid outs last longer than others. And most of the time, it all depends on the weather and the activities that I am engaging in. If I decide to exercise a lot, my hair might not last as long. And if I am going out into the rain without covering my hair, that is definitely a reason why my hairstyles may not last long. But for my fro to last me 5 days, it is pretty good for me because I am that person that likes to wash my hair every single week. But I am going to show you all one hairstyle that really helps me make it to wash day pretty often. And this is day 5, twist out in my curly fro, and I am definitely loving it because it is definitely a statement. Now for my nighttime routine on day 5, I am going to do the pineapple because for the end of the week, I typically wear my hair in a high puff. Pineappling my hair on nights that I'm actually going to wear my hair in a high puff the very next day makes my hair routine in the morning very simple because literally all I have to do is take off the bonnet, take off the scarf, and add my hairpiece that allows me to get a puff. Now I'm just using this extra large hair tie to create my puff today because it doesn't cause a lot of tension on my hair. And once I have that band up there, all I have to do is fluff, and I am pretty much ready for the day and also the next day. I will wear a high puff for about 2 to 3 days until wash day. So this will really get you through the week. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!